Hello, and today we are going to practice our writing equations. So you should have your notes done, and now you're going to go through and we're going to follow these 4 steps for these equations. First, you have to read the question. That's always our first one. Read the question. Then you highlight the numbers and keywords, and then we label those numbers. So I want you to pause the video right now, go through, read the questions, highlight the keywords, and then label what those keywords are. So now we're going to go and see what we have, and we're going to do the last step. Make an equation that is start plus change times x equals total. So here we had our rate of change, which was negative because it was receding. Receding means to go away, kind of like a receding hairline, at 0.5 feet per day, and it started at 34 feet. So we have the water. The water's changing by this fast, but it started here. So we're going to write our equation. So our start was 34, and then our change is minus 0.5, then we need our x equals our total. And our total is going to be y for this instance. Then how many days will the water level how many days will the water level be at 26 feet? So 26 feet, is that our time or our total? This is actually our total. So it's going to go right here at the end. Okay, see if you can find what x equals here. So if we're babysitting, Nicole charges a flat fee of $3 plus $5 per hour. Write an equation for the cost after 8 hours of babysitting. So here it tells me I'm using a C and an H. $5 per hour, initial value is 3. So we start plus our change per time. Here we're using H because it's for every hour we get $5. And equals our total, but our total is C. And here, H equals 5, because how much money will she make if she babysits 5 hours? So 3 plus 5 times 5 equals our answer. So see what goes there. Here we wanted x equals a number. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through 2 more, and then you're going to do your own. So here, hopefully you already have 25 pounds and 100 pounds. So start plus the change times how often that is equals the total. 400 pounds is the total, not how long. So it'll be 100 plus 25W equals 400. And we want to know what W equals. Here we have $30 per hour and $20 for our initial value. Again, it's 20 plus 30 per hour equals our total. And 6 hours is going to go for H. So it's 20 plus 30 times 6 equals our answer. Okay, so it's not too bad. You just need to focus on our change and our start. We've got two numbers. One is our change, one is our start. And then there's a number to find the answer. What I really want you guys to focus on is write the equation. Start plus change times the time equals the result, or the total. Write equations for all 8 questions. And then next time, we'll talk a little bit more about writing these equations, but I really want you guys to focus on identifying the change, identify the initial value, and then go through and write the equations. That is what we're doing.